problem with my upper two front teeth, which unfortunately due to an accident, one of them has died. I didn't go to the dentist until an infection came, so at least for the 5 years I didn't get it looked at because I didn't think there was an issue, because I didn't feel much pain and it all looked okay. The dentist explained to me that the tooth has probably died and that the root has died and I probably need a root canal treatment. And the tooth was okay for a couple of weeks and then the infection came back. I went back to that dentist to explain him that the infection has come back, so they reopened the tooth and redid the whole process and resealed it, and then they were quite confident that it would be done, but unfortunately the infection still came back. To be honest, I stopped having confidence in the first dentist because they have done it twice, they haven't resolved the issue, so I wasn't quite willing to go to them again and deal with the issue. So I actually googled best dentists in London and this practice came up, and it's fairly close from where I live, so it was very convenient to come here. I found overwhelmingly positive reviews, also mentioning that they're very good of treating patients who have a fear of dental treatments, which I would count myself as one of them. I thought this actually sounds like a really, really good practice, and there was nobody said anything negative from the customers, so actually real reviews. Then Ope called me into the examination room. He took a very careful look of all of my teeth, and I think he even did an x-ray to make sure that he also knows what's going on inside the teeth, and then explained me what he thought was going on. And what I really appreciated is he did not use technical terms with me, which I wouldn't understand, and he really tried to make sure that I understood what was going on in words which are not meant for other dentists. Gave me even a follow-up call about 2 days after he had sent me the initial treatment plan just to discuss if I had any questions, if anything was unclear, if I was concerned about anything, which I really appreciated. And I don't think any dentist has ever done that for me before. And she was really good, so she gave me two injections so I wouldn't actually feel the pain, and that's something I'm the most nervous about. Was in the stool for just about an hour, a bit over, which is really, really quick, but also she did such a thorough job that between when she was working, she'd taken 2 x-rays of the teeth just to make sure everything is properly filled right down to the bottom, that everything is the way it should be, and she triple and checked. Luckily I was not in pain at all afterwards. I didn't need any painkillers. Everything was, to be honest, perfect. The color had improved immediately after the treatment. Like while I was still in the practice, I could see that the tooth was at least 5 shades lighter than it was before I actually started the treatment. I would recommend them to come here immediately, as fast as possible. Even if you haven't had one and you know you need one, just come here. I think I would have full confidence that you're going to get the best treatment possible and that you're not going to have any issues.